Oh, there we go. Now it's recording. Alright.
KR has already eaten 2 locusts, and Will Brown is about to try us first. So,
here we go. His head first.
Yeah. Oh! Take it.
I can't handle that.
Oh my word. Alright, Will. Oh, you got this, Will.
Alright. Everyone say a prayer for me.
Lord, keep him alive. Amen. Yummy. Eat that thing. Just hold your nose if you want to. I think he likes it. There goes the ball.
I bit his head off and then like I bit the body like it out.
Oh, what'd you say?
A wing.
Oh.
Oh.
So was it good?
He couldn't handle that. He couldn't handle that one wing.
Oh. It's just nasty feeling.
When I bit his head off, bit out all the juice like right in my mouth.
He's taking it.
You gotta eat one.
Oh, he's ate another one.
Why are you doing that?
Will had 2.
I can't swallow them.
I hate the noise I make.
Question is, can he swallow it this time? I'm gonna go with probably no, but you never know with his gag reflex.
If I could pop it in my mouth.
What is that, KR?
Second round.
Alright, go for it, KR. Chew that bad boy.
It's going back in. It's going back in.
It wants to be.
Decent.
Kara loves
This is
it.
so weird. I love it.
Oh no.
Alright, Will. Swallow it this time.
Oh.
No.
Don't.
Oh, Will, what's wrong? Nah. Will, you got it. Just swallow that bad boy.
It's just a bug.
You don't think about it, it's easier.
Oh, no, he don't got it. Can't swallow. Well, he's weak. KR's strong.
Now.
Oh, look what fell in my cheese dip. Guess I have to eat that. Oh. It's so gross. It's still flapping.
I want these on Facebook.
Kara, I appreciate you showing us the Filipino way.
It was good.
It was good.
It was. They gave the cheese an extra beefy taste.
Go.
The sticker on the watermelon said it was seedless watermelon, but it didn't say cicadaless watermelon.
Mitch? 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 How does it... You're on.
Oh, look, they made a nest in my cupcake. Guess I have to eat them. That is so gross.
I know, he's doing work on him right now.
He's already eaten all of them, now he's gotta eat the cupcake.
The cupcake's the hardest part for him.
Eat a dead one.
That's a lot of cupcakes in my mouth.
He might have done a really bad job of this.
He just ate 7 on a cupcake.
Kara, you're gonna throw up. What?
You kind of swallowed the ice cream.
I did just cut my leg off. Chester, no.
Oh, look what landed on Chester.
Oh, the wings.
Ah.